Thanks for watching LinkedIn Video Tutorial 1, Creating a Strong and Strategic Profile. This is one of several video modules to help you increase your skill level on LinkedIn. LinkedIn, a social media site for professional networking and development, has over 250 million users in over 200 countries. LinkedIn can be a wonderful resource for two reasons. Number one, LinkedIn allows members to connect with each other to collaborate on projects, discover and learn more about jobs and industries, and share expertise, skills, and research. Number two, recruiters, HR professionals, and employers across various industries use LinkedIn to find talent for their organizations, as well as to further research and screen job applicants. Does your profile accurately reflect your professional experience and skills? This video tutorial will review some basic tips for maximizing your profile so your skills, experiences, and expertise are clearly and strategically reflected to employers and professionals. You can apply any of the tips we discuss as you create your profile, or you can easily update your profile by hovering over Profile on the main menu and then clicking Edit Profile. This will allow you to edit each section by clicking on the pencil icon or Edit at the top of each section. Let's start with your picture. A professional headshot, shoulders up, in front of a neutral background would be the best option. Before thinking about what picture to use or how you want to look, consider the work culture of your chosen industry or field and select your headshot accordingly. For example, if you are pursuing a career in management consulting, you should wear a business suit for your profile picture. If you are pursuing a career in graphic design or advertising, a more artistic picture can be used. A good rule of thumb is to view the profiles of professionals in your chosen field to see what they are wearing in their LinkedIn profile pictures. Okay, let's talk headlines. LinkedIn will automatically give you a headline based on your current position, but you also have the capability to customize your headline. Customizing your headline allows you 120 characters to market who you are as a professional to others. As a student, you can choose to market your degree, research or study focus, and institution, or you can choose to use the focus of your chosen industry or field. For example, one student may choose to use their degree information and create a headline reading, Masters of Engineering candidate at Duke University, specialization in medical devices. Another student may choose to focus on industry or field and have a headline reading Social Psychologist. The key is to make sure you are using keywords from your field or industry and that your professional identity is easy to understand. LinkedIn also allows you to see what other professionals in your industry are using as their headlines. For a better idea of industry keywords to use in your profile, you can research profiles in the employment sector you hope to work in for inspiration. LinkedIn will automatically assign you a profile URL, but you have the ability to customize it, making it clean and simple for use on other self-marketing materials, such as resumes, business cards, and email signatures. To customize your URL, click on Edit beside the URL. Then scroll down to the Your Public Profile URL box and click on Customize Your Public URL. Using your first and last name is preferred, but those with more common names may need to add a middle name or a number as well. Be sure to use the Contact section of your profile by adding any contact information and social media platforms that highlight your skills and experiences. For example, if your goal is to work in science communication and you currently maintain a blog or an online writing portfolio, be sure to add the link to your Contact section. Adding your email address and cell phone number is common. However, it is not recommended to list your home or work address. To make any changes, click on Edit Contact Information, and then click on the pencil icon next to the item you'd like to edit. The Summary section provides a great opportunity to add industry keywords to your profile and explain your professional identity to others. Summary should be relatively short and reflect your career interests and experiences, reasons for pursuing a career in your industry of choice, and any major accomplishments. Adding a specialty skills list is also recommended as it adds more keywords to your profile. Reading the summaries of professionals in your chosen field or industry will provide you with great examples. To create or edit your summary, simply click Edit in the section. You can also add video, images, websites, and documents to this section as well to show your work. The Experience section is where you'll post professional experiences like past jobs and internships. Be strategic as you decide which experiences to use. Select experiences that are most relevant to your career goals and illustrate any relevant skills you have. Make sure your experience statements reflect quantifiable outcomes and highlight the value you added to the organization. Don't just focus on your tasks. Most students, after meeting with a career advisor, copy and paste from their resume to create their LinkedIn Experience section. Please see the Video 1 activity and resource sheet for a link on resume and bullet writing. You can also add samples of your work with the written consent of your employer. To create or edit your Experience section, simply click Edit in the section. And don't forget, you can add video, websites, images, and documents as well. Some students may have worked in the retail industry or at a summer camp, but may not have any relevant professional experience, and that is totally okay. You can list those summer and part-time jobs under the Experience section, but you will need to use other LinkedIn sections such as projects, patents, research, or organizations to reflect the relevant experience you do have. For example, a biomedical engineering student early in her college career may not have an internship or job to add under Experience. However, she did do a class project where she had to design and construct a medical device. This experience would be perfect to add in the project section. Be strategic when deciding how to sequence your sections. Always lead with your most relevant professional experience. So if we go back to our biomedical engineering student that had that really great medical device project, it would make sense for her to start with a summary explaining who she is, then list her degree in biomedical engineering from Duke University, and then beneath that utilize her project section to discuss that medical device project. Underneath that, she could use the general experience section to discuss any part-time work she's had. Remember, employers are looking for relevant information, so be sure to choose the right sections for your LinkedIn profile. As you can see on the right-hand side of your profile screen, you can select the sections best for you. You can also use the up-down arrow highlighted in the yellow box to drag sections wherever you'd like in your LinkedIn profile, so you can make sure you're leading with your most relevant experience and sections. LinkedIn will allow you to add skills to your profile, and others can endorse those skills. To add a skill, click on Edit in the section, then Add and Remove. Type in a skill such as Photoshop, teaching, or research, and then click on it to add it to your profile. You can click on Manage Endorsements to remove people that have endorsed you, or you can select to hide all of your endorsements. It is advantageous to get recommendations from past managers, colleagues, supervisees, and faculty. Focus on quality and not quantity. Employers would prefer to read 2 strong recommendations that provide specific experiences reflecting your skills and professionalism than 12 vague and poorly written recommendations. Proper etiquette is that you first write a recommendation for another, and in turn, they will write one for you. It is also fine to ask someone to write a recommendation for you. Just be sure you instruct her or him on how to do so. To write a recommendation, go to your Connections profile, click on the drop-down menu beside Send a Message, select Recommend, and then follow the prompts. Remember, LinkedIn is a marketing tool, but it's also a way to learn more about careers and other industries. Make sure you're strategic when putting together your LinkedIn profile and that you're using it to grow as a professional. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. There are several more video modules on Sakai to help you grow your LinkedIn skills even further. These other modules cover how to connect and network with others successfully, and an overview of how employers and other professionals use LinkedIn to review applicants during the hiring process.